here we are at Homemade. Remember the bird section. He's planning to buy the
Bird
bird bath.
Some more perches as I keep
then-
chewing through them. Some treats and some stuff to crack on.
He buys like this because the other one, the old one, they strip it out already. We're
Or
trying
this.
to buy this one for their crops.
It goes on the bottom of the base of the bird cage. Yes, everyone on Facebook and YouTube keeps suggesting to put this in the bottom because it absorbs and it gets their brains thinking when they're trying to look for the seeds. They have to go through it, so it takes their energy.
So
And
this one,
these two are the safest. They don't have chemicals.
and then this is their.
Oh, but they're going to drop the snacks. And where's the wood?
We buy the sticks. They were crazy for it, eh. And then this ladder, because the other ladder, I don't know why they chew it. They were very destructive.
And that one I'm getting more for the finch, so she can keep climbing up to her flight feathers come back.
Guys, and then this is what we buy. There's a surprise for them. The sticks, and then the wooden stick that we need to change because we changed the old one. They chew it. And then there's a ladder. It's a ladder. They were very destructive birds. Starting to remove the door.
I would sit on that perch, it's got to come out.
Who?
This, then what?
Where's the old ladder? I want to
There, look.
later. We will show them the old ladder.
How they chewed through it. They're meant to be birds, not hamsters.
But maybe they're trying to test their... Oh, look at Ash. Look at Ash.
Trying to test what? How sharp
How
they...
strong they're,
Look,
how sharp they're.
Look, they destroyed the perch, it's on the floor, they destroyed
Look.
the ladder.
This is supposedly until here. The size of this one is until here. Look at this. They show
destroyed
it. They show it. Look, they show it. They're crappy bird. And then the ladder. So that's why we buy new. We bought new to change it. There were crappy bird.
Yeah. Oh my God,
Look at them. They
and
go
look,
there
they
around.
destroyed the nest.
Where?
There, look, it just looks like a little hat now.
Ah.
They destroyed it. And look, they're trying to chew through the roof. They're just chewers, they do like chewing.
Huh? I think they were not birds. Who's the one that is always flying that one? Oh, it's Lemon. And then it's Sunshine. Oh, they were
That's
there, all the
Sunshine.
group there.
Yeah, except for her down there.
Look at the other one, baby. He's trying to catch my attention, eh.
Which one?
The one that on the net.
On the net? What? Sunshine?
Yeah. No, this one, no.
That's Mango.
Mango.
Very slowly, when you put your fingers in, slowly, because they're gaining trust. Like them, like that.
1, 2, baby. We buy this stuff.
Instead of using the paper.
We buy this stuff instead of using the paper.
Everyone
So
keeps
it will
recommending.
absorb.
Everyone keeps recommending, it's easier to clean. So we'll try it. €6, so...
I need to wash my hands and use my elbow to touch the... And we're using this Certex hand wash. It's antibacterial. guys, punta na ako kay Steven. I'll go to Steven because I will give the things of the bird for him to return on the cage.
Along.
What are you going to do there?
I'm trying to put the swing in, but Mango's kind of like, what's it called? Breaking it.
The swing? What did you do to the swing?
You'll see. Can you put your finger here?
Okay.
So the string don't come through so I can knot it.
Oh, those lovely birds, those naughty birds. Those were naughty birds. Why you don't sing now? We're here. And then I'm taking a video on you. You look like innocent that you didn't do anything on this cage.
That's it. Take your hand off. That one's knotted. Now I need to work out where I'm putting this string.
Ah, you did a new...
Through here.
What if they knock it again? They knock it
No,
down?
but the thing, they pulled the knots off from there or there. So this way I'm eliminating that. So they don't. I don't know whether to put it like this. No, that'll knock the door. Or, yeah, like that.
What you're trying to do ba? Ah, that one.
So they
Swing.
can swing. Because the finches like to swing.
Yes, but they like it to... I bet the tie, they will chew it also.
I've done about 4 knots. If they can get that undone, flipping hell, they're smart. But this is the budgies we're talking
They were
about.
smarter than you, eh?
The budgies can undo a knot any day.
They were smarter than you. And then, oh, you did also the bath na.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look, they will look so innocent. But when the day comes that we check their cage, there's a lot of crap. There's a lot of, what you call that? Broken sticks.
Can you put your finger here and hold this here now?
Wait.
Got it?
Who's that baby bear?
The one in a photo that you don't recognise.
Ah! That's my finger.
Okay, that's it. Let go. Let go. Mango,
Who's
look,
planning?
Mango, look at him. He's already planning how to destroy it.
How much is your bet that they will... This one, oh.
Hold on, let me so I can...
They will bite
they,
that.
They,
They
got
will
nothing,
chew that.
So they got nothing to grip their beak onto.
They were smart.
Because they will pull on that otherwise.
Look!
See? I told you, Mango's got to try and get on there to destroy it. Mind, I need to get there.
Oh, look. Those are the sweet finches.
What have I just done with it now? I had it in my hand.
You said you're distracting me. I want to go on the swing.
Oh, there it is, the one I had in my hand. That's what I wanted to do.
I think they were tired, the baby, of flying and flying.
And that's what they done.
Hey,
But,
bravo, bravo.
They chewed through it. Right, so that's that, that's that. There's still this to clean. It's just got this.
These are our canary, sunny and sunshine, summer and sunshine. Look, they were trying to test your swing, eh?
Yeah. They're going to enjoy it. This was the other broken bit, wasn't it?
Hello, hello, little bird. Hello, 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 hello. My God, why they were in panic mode? Baby, they want to try the swing.
Huh?
They want to try the swing.
They want to try it, but he wants to destroy it.
Oh, Mango.
Yeah, look at him.
Mango, you're the destroyer.
Look at-
You're
look.
the first.
Him and Purple are the ones that chew through the perches. I caught her as well.
Only the loyal one are the canaries and then the finches. But the budgies, they were roaming around. Sneaking around. Look, it's different partner again. I think they were fighting. They're fighting?
No,
or
it's
they're
boy and girl.
kissing?
They're kissing.
Ah, he wants to look on the camera. He wants to look on the camera. This one on the
That's 'cause
middle.
They're vain. wood shavings. And this is made, if you smell it as well, it's got aloe vera or something in there.
Yeah, I can smell.
It smells nice.
Oh, their cage now is good. Look at this one.
And this one soften and drop every time she suicide bombs down.
Why they want to be like that though, on the net? The smell of that wood. I feel wants to cough.
Corona.
Corona is not corona. Oh, hello. Wow, it's nice na. It's nice, at least it's nice.
Right, now we need the food. And the bowl.
They're waiting for the food. That is their treat.
This is their treat. One for the budgies, one for the canaries. But what
How they know that if they were for the budgie or for the...
Don't know, maybe
How was the smell? So you smell it
it smells
eh?
of fruit.
Really?
And this one's... And
Can
this
I
one's orange and banana. Orange.
Smells nice. That is their treat. They gone quiet. They're quiet.
What's this?
Baby, why they gone quiet?
Because they're seeing food.
Huh?
Because they see the food.
See? No one is
Who wants food?
Me! He said me! Look!
The budgies are one.
Why you put there?
Because it's for the budgies high up, and the canaries one I put down there.
But if they fall on the wood shape, in the wood, they cannot get it, na?
Yeah, they hunt it.
Oh.
They can smell it. And then one for the canaries.
I want to touch the feather, eh, but I cannot catch them.
You're not meant to catch them. You're meant to be gentle with them, so they gain your trust.
If how smooth their feathers are. If they see that baby, they gone quiet. I don't know why.
And this one, Alec, this is a canaries one, but guaranteed they'll all go for whatever one they want. Like they do with the food. You get specific food for the certain birds, and they all go for free for them.
That is their favorite stuff when you're cleaning the cage.
Some of the food bowls. Nest there. And all of them. I need all of them.
What's that?
Budgies.
The food for the...
Budgies and finches. The canaries.
But they don't... They have a specific... But they... Eat
No, they've got the budgie mix in there. They got the finch mix and the canary.
They will have prepared... Look, someone's like that na yun.
What? There he goes to his budgie.
It's now. Look, baby. He's the first
Yeah.
one.
Sunny. Not sunny,
No?
sky.
Sky. Baby, you find their
Look,
life
and the
hard.
canaries, look. See, they know who's a who's. It must be by smell. How do I make their life hard?
They were tuna baby, even mango. The canary always the first one who go in the food box eh.
See? And they're eating a budgie food.
You didn't make it Jay. Look at the food you put on the...
It doesn't matter, they're eating. They're birds. Finches.
For the finches, food for the finches.
Finches and canary. But look,
But they eat everywhere they want
look,
it.
it's because it's got it in there, look. It's got it in here.
The food box na eh. Look. My God, they were starved. They were very hungry.
No, they're just fat, they always eat.
They were not birds, they were pigs. Look at the other one very busy with the treat. Baby, don't forget the other small swing.
Oh yeah, I still got to do that. Oh crap, I should have put that on, I'll put it on this one. You want?
I think they were not yet hungry.
You want?
But their color and then their feather is very nice now, no? Not like before that they were staying here inside.
No, they've got nice colours.
From the time that they put it outside.
Their feathers got a lot better because they're getting natural sunlight.
That one is for canary and finches.
Yeah. It's all to do so like...
someone wants to take a bath, but there's still no water there, baby. There's no there water yet, baby.
I'll do it in a minute.
Look, the finches na. The finch, Ashley.
Hey, excuse me, Mango. I'm kind of putting this perch in.
It's not yet done, Mango. He's heavy.
Not he's heavy, it's because I've got to do this at an angle. Like that, to stop it coming out. This way it stops it coming out. Like that. Mango's a fatty. Right, I better put...
You can know it, the weight of their body when they fly, no?
Yeah. Mango's big and fat.
And sometimes we put little vegetable on them. Now it's cabbage. Last time, it's lettuce. Ah, he is. Baby, he is. Summer. He chew it. Summer. The canary, once they... He's returning na the door of the La Casa de Papel.
Hold the door there.
Of the La Casa de
Don't push
Papel.
in, just hold it. Because I've got to switch this.
They were locked up. We put already the cage outside. Looks good now. This is our small yard. Eh. But why they were noisy? This is how it looks like now. Much better, no?
Yes, it looks a lot more better with that stuff.
And then let's see how long it will take to get crappy cage. Why they don't eat?
They didn't, and we just left them out.
Ah, you forgot to put the...
No, I put the water in there.
You put already?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
The bath?
Yeah.
No water, ah.
Yes, there is water. I put it in there.
Why no one's taking a bath?
Because they're scared of it. They've got to get to see what it... Look at the swing. Look.
Ah, I see. He started to...
I told you.
He started to...
I told you. Ube.
Be naughty. You're catching the camera. You're caught on the camera. Hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. It won't last, baby. Maybe tomorrow it... Ube! Let the others use it first before you chew. Mango is very busy on the cabbage.
And they've got like 3 extra perches now as well.
What?
There's additional 3 extra perches.
I think they were crazy now. Look how crazy they are. They don't know what to do first, eh? Which one they need to break. Oh, he said, we have a lot of sticks. Ay, baby, we forgot to return.
Return what?
The one on the pot.
What one on the top?
Pot.
What pot?
We emptied this pot. What do you call that ba? Pot.
Pot.
We'll check if they will put something on it because last time they put something on it, eh. The food. What's it called that?
For food, they put food in there for bedding.
I like their new ladder. Let's check if how long it takes to last.
It's thicker wood as well, so it should take a bit longer for them to chew through it.
No, they were very busy. Everyone's is busy, baby. They don't know which one they need to chew first.
The budgies are gone for the spring.
The Karali, they love the vegetable.
So do the budgies, but they take their time.
But the other two, look, baby.
Yeah.
They were very busy chewing the the string. Uh-oh. My God, it's dying to... I'm the one need to... Look! I think they don't know yet how to use that butt thing.
No, they eventually will. They're going.
Are you sure that it won't fall?
No,
Because
it
if it
clips.
will
No,
fall,
it clips from the
they
bottom.
can go out.
It clips from the bottom.
Are you sure?
I've clipped it from the bottom. The bottom's clipped.
They have their bathtub. My God, he's really very, 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 very busy, baby. Bet only tonight. That one last.
What, the swing?
Yeah.
Probably. I can't remember how long it took him before to destroy the other one.
He won't sleep later. This one is very busy here. Oh my God. They have their own activity. Baby. They have their own activity.
Look, Mango's looking at the bird bath. Look.
Ah, he's investigating. What's this? What's this?
Don't go too close, he's going in.
Eh.
Sunny scared him off.
Even the other one.
No, Sky scared him off.
I want to catch them taking a bath. But no one. Because they were very busy now.
Yeah, look, he's going back.
He go back. Now there you are. He's curious, baby, what's on its inside.
He's drinking.
Huh? He thinks it's a water tank, eh?
He thinks it's another water bottle.
I want to cut him on
Well,
taking
he
a
used it
bath.
as a drinking tank.
Yeah. That one said, let me in, let me in. There were three of them.
Look, she's fluffing up. Look, she wants to get in there. Is she smart enough to figure out it's a bath?
Oh my God, they were very chubby na eh. Look at this one, oh, Mango. Chubby na eh.
Yeah.
Baby, why they don't want to take a bath?
They've only just seen it, baby. They've got to get used to it. Mango. thinks
Only
it's a
mango,
drinking
only mango is have a dominant color, no? And then design of the feather. Lemon wants to go inside eh. Look. He said, why the same color of my feather, this one? What's on it?
Look at Lime. Look at Lime. He's pulling on purple
The tail.
feathers.
The tail.
Yeah, to get up there.
I think that's why the other feather of Ashley,
No,
they do
baby,
that.
No, baby, she molted.
Get inside, go inside, go inside, go inside. Baby, they don't want to go inside.
You give them time. They just figured out there's something there.
They were fighting. They were curious eh.
Like purple trying to figure it. Look, she knows it's water, but she's trying to wet her feathers. Look how she's doing it.
Look, baby, Mango is very busy now. He wants to really knock down the tie eh.
That's Lime.
That's line.
The swing, cable. Mango's the one.
Only Lemon is always a loner. Lemon, why you're a loner? This one is purple, no? Baby.
He's got blue on the beak.
Yeah.
No, it's Ube.
Ube.
Purple's the female. She's the one that's using the water drops to bolt. See? It's because you were She knows what it is, that one. She's smart. Look at them two. Look at Mango's.
They said, I want to try it. I'm the next.
Showing you her butt.
Who's that?
It's because she's filming now. Look, she stopped.
No, she don't know. Baby, the other one Sky wants to try it. No, I'm the next. Oh my god. They're fighting. Ah, he's taking a bath. Why so fast?
Because they go in and out,
That's how they take a bath?
Yeah.
I saw the bam bam. to the bum bum. Baby, if they take a bath, they need to fall in line.
Yeah.
They need to queue. One at a time, social distancing.
Mango would have been in there, so I think she would have the guts to walk in.
Baby, they practicing social distancing too. I'm done. Okay, I'm the one.
No, she's back. Look at her, she's really awesome.
That's purple.
Yeah.
Other one is patiently waiting for the queue. Oh, there were 3 there. Oh, there were 4. How fuck this one, no? Oh, purple na.
I told you, they're fat.
She's done. Ah, she's kept coming back.
Oh, look, Lion, she's in the swing. He's off there. Lemon's about to get hit by the swing.
Huh?
Lemon's about to get hit by the swing.
My God, how long it takes for him to for her to finish eh. I'm waiting.
Look, Lion, Mango's going to try to get there.
Why they cannot go inside too? 2 at a time? I think you just put a little water eh. That's why.
It's full up.
Baby, they were fighting because of the bathtub. Hey, social distancing. 1 at a time.
See how we should go back in. Oh, look, Mango.
Oh,
Mango's there.
oh. I'm in. But Ubi wants to go back eh.
Yeah.
They're fighting.
She's taking on both of them for the bath. But he doesn't use it as a bath. He just,
Because he didn't.
she should knock him in there.
My God, they're kissing there. Somebody's waiting.
No, but Mango's not going in.
She's really selfish. She wants always there. Guys, thank you for watching our video cleaning the bird's cage. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected. Hi Maya! Shout out to Maya. Hope you like it.
Our #1 viewer.